Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to refurbish a WII Pro controller. I bought recently two controllers on eBay. They were already used and the overall condition is okay, but the sticks are heavily used and one stick looks like somebody has chewed it up or it's really messed up. So I ordered replacement sticks on AliExpress. They are not very expensive, and I put also a link in the description of the video. For opening the controller, you need a special bit for your screwdriver. This is a WII 2-bit I have. Here we have the two parts of the controller. The sticks are under this board, so we have to at least open the screw here and here. Okay. So you have to open this screw here, and then you can pull the stick out, and it's more like shaped like an oval and with straight sides, and you have to look for a matching stick. Yeah, and here again, probably see it better now. That's how the stick is. And okay. Yeah, that was the stick which it looks like somebody has chewed on it or something, like a dog or a cat or something. Somebody. Yeah, it looks pretty damaged. Yep, it's working again. And here, I guess this is the rumble pack. Oh, looks neat. So now I'm going to screw it back together. Therefore, I have to Yeah, so I found a way to put it better in more easily. Just for me, a bit flimsy, so I put a little bit adhesive on this on the two buttons here, and that made it a lot easier for me to put it back together. Now, I put back in the first two screws on the back. Okay. Okay, looks great. Okay, and it looks like it's charging, so that should be okay. Now I have my refurbished Wii U Pro controller. I hope you like the video, and if you like my channel, I would be happy if you subscribe to it. And see you soon. Bye.